DJ, technician tafadhali, tusaidie. Technician, thank you. Haya, George, shairi, kisha baadaye Jack Matara, Mambia Song. Karibu sana. Jack Matara, usimame huko mbeleni tafadhali.
Asante sana, karibu sana George. Karibu. Mbele yenu nimalenga mtunga mashairi kutoka Mgamo Kusini ambaye ametunga shairi na lenyewe ni pia kuapishwa kwa Simba Arati gavana. Karibu. Shamura 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 jamaa Simba Arati karibu. Huyu ni gavana jamaa mpendaye ajabu. Kweli yeye kasimama ikae kuajabu.
Asante sana, asante sana. Tupigie makofi kwa shairi safi. Asante sana. Abantu waitu Abagusii mwanamoko. Moyede amagama na so much. Asante. Thank you. Akobi Jack Matara, askari Jack Matara. Huyu anawakilisha kikosi cha usalama. Askari Jack Matara. Karibu sana. DJ.
Una mano
Okay, asante sana. Sasa kwa heshima ingawa kuna wale mmesimama pale tafadhali, wakati wote kuanzia sasa, the outgoing governor Kisii County, His Excellency Governor James Ongwae anaingia, na governor mteule wa pili wa county ya Kisii, His Excellency Governor Simba Arati wanaingia kwa wakati wote kuanzia sasa. So DJ, kama kuna kazi ya deno, kuna kazi ya mwaniki tafadhali, ni karibu, kwa sababu kama hatutafanya sasa hatutakuwa na wakati. DJ. Okay. Thank you so much. By the instructions of the security team, naomba tafadhali wale ambao kwa VIP mtulie mkae, kwa sababu wakati wote kuanzia sasa gavana wetu wanaingia. Ningependa kwa kumtambua
Uko na power? Yako iko fiti. Naweza dunga kibuli yangu hapo.
Ningependa kumtambua mbunge mteule wa Kitutu cha South, Anton Kibageni in the house. Tupigie Mheshimiwa Anton Kibageni makofi. Asante sana, karibu sana Mheshimiwa Anton Kibageni, karibu sana. DJ, are you ready? Hapo sawa. Yes, Mwaniki. Anymore.
Hey!
kwa mweli abulele satoka laki abulele satoka laki engubaya mwanya yetigeo Abagusii na mwingine hilo. Asante sana. Pia tungependa kuwatambua waandishi wa habari wale ambao wako hapa hivi kutoka radio stations mbalimbali na runinga zetu. Tunawatambua na asante sana kwa kazi nzuri ambayo mnafanya. Thank you. Deo Esafari DJ. Are you ready? Esafari DJ Deo. Esafari yaweka. Kimsi wa Simba. Kwani mwana wapi? Esafari lochi. Abantu bari bagishimiye amore yani abantu bari bayaga ari barabaya lakini abantu bari bayaga bamwe nshinga kuchiko abantu bari madozi badozi yuko Simba staff ye county ya Kisii government wala yani ni abantu bari basisediwa kutoka huko na yule kile so aseme tafadhali aseme ndio huyu alafu wanasaidiana na Diana wanasimama pale wakielekea ile staff ya county government wamekaa tafadhali msimame mpatie wageni wetu viti ona lakini kwa sababu lakini kwa yangu wote if you are staff of the Kisii county government naomba tu kwa heshima msimame alafu mpatie wageni wetu nafasi wakae so nasema Diana in charge of protocol watawaelekea alafu msimame tafadhali wageni wetu wakae. Thank you so much. Asante. Thank you. Aya, pesa mai. Wapi kwa suru? Ezala ni mapito. Kisii County.
achievements. Father, make our new leaders to understand that it is acts of justice that will define their character. Leadership is just like a handful of water which is to be shared with those who thirst. Leadership is less about love of power, but the power of love and service to the people. As the new leaders assume office, let them embrace servant leadership that we witness in our Son Jesus Christ. Help them to understand and appreciate how collaborative with purpose will lead to a better decision making and implementation. May they work in collaboration with our sister counties in Manila for the great growth of Arati Abagusii community in linking with the national government without unnecessary competitions. Loving Father, help them not to seek to be loved so as to love, not to be understood as for them to understand. May they be instruments of love, unity, reconciliation, peace, and hope in our country. As we pray for our new leaders, we also pray for the outgoing leadership led by His Excellency Elvis Umar. Bless the good work that they managed to do in moving the county to the point where it is now. And it is from here that the new leadership picks from. Father, grant our leaders good health of mind and soul. We ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. اللهم اهدنا فيمن هديت وعافنا فيمن عافيت وتولنا فيمن توليت وبارك لنا الخير فيما أعطيت وقنا برحمتك شر ما قضيت فإنك تقضي ولا يقضى عليك إنه لا يذل من واليت ولا يعز من عاديت تبارك ربنا وتعاليت. اللهم لك الحمد كله ولك الشكر كله وإليك يرجع الأمر كله. اللهم إنا نسألك خير هذا اليوم فتحه ونصره ونوره وبركته وهداه. Ee Mola muumba mbingu na ardhi na viliomo ndani yake, wewe ndiye Mola wetu, mlezi wa viumbe wote. Wewe ndiye mstahiki wa kuabudiwa, kushukuriwa, kuhimidiwa, kukushukuru, kukuhimidi, na wewe peke yako tunakuabudu. Ee Mola, ni wewe ndiye unayepeana uongozi. Tunakushukuru kwa utukufu wako kwa kutuchagulia katika wengi waliong'ang'ania uongozi huu wa ugavana katika kaunti yetu hii ya Kisii. Mapenzi yako yakamchagua kwako wewe kiongozi ambaye alikuwa mteule kwako wewe, Mheshimiwa Simba Arati, pamoja na kaimu wake Mheshimiwa Robert Onsare Monda, kwa kuwa ndio viongozi wenye kutuongoza katika kaunti yetu hii. Ewe Mola, mpe gavana wetu anayeingia Bwana Paulo Simba Arati pamoja na Bwana Robert Onsare Monda kaimu wake afya njema, umri mwema, kila aina ya busara na hekima. Ewe Mola, wape mioyo thabiti katika kutekeleza majukumu yao ya kututendea haki na kutenda haki katika kaunti ya Kisii. Ewe Mola, naliombea kwako jopo kazi watakaloichagua liwe thabiti na uzalendo na upendo katika kuwahudumia wakazi wote wa mji wa Kisii. Ewe Mola, uongozi ni amana na umewapa hawa amana ya kutuongoza. Wajalie kwa dua na maombi yetu haya kwako, wawe viongozi wema, wawe viongozi wema kwa raia na wakazi wa mji wa Kisii kwa jumla. Ewe Mola, baraka zako kwa mheshimiwa gavana anayeingia Bwana Simba Arati pamoja na kaimu wake mheshimiwa Robert Onsare Monda. Ewe Mola, ibariki Kenya, ibariki Kisii, ibariki wa Kenya. Waomba baraka zako kwa asasi za utawala na usalama wa nchi kwa jumla. Tunaomba amani itawale nchi yetu, kila ajaye na shari waijua ya kisiri, ivunje ya kidhamiri, asiweze kusimama. Amina Rabbi, amina, amina Rabbi, amina, amina. Tutakabalie, walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Amen. Tukiendelea katika maombi, tutulie tafadhali, bado tuko katika hali ya maombi. Pastor Makori, karibu sana.
God is good all the time. Basi na sasa tumsujudu kwa ombi. Mungu wetu na Baba yetu ishie mahala pa juu, Muumba wa mbingu na dunia na vyote viliomo, nyakati hizi ni za pekee katika kaunti yetu ya Kisii, ambapo uwanja huu umejaa mpaka pomoni, ili asubuhi ya leo tukutukuze kwa sababu ya fadhili zako na wema wako. Mungu wetu, wote ambao ni wenyeji wa Kisii wamekuja kwa sababu wametekeleza demokrasia kwa uchaguzi wao, na wakati huu wa pekee tungependa kukushukuru kwa ajili ya His Excellency Elvis Omariba Ongwae, kiongozi wa kwanza wa kaunti hii, na tunakushukuru kwa sababu ya kiongozi wa pili His Excellency Paul Simba Arati. Baba, twaomba ombi moja la pekee, lile ombi la Mfalme Solomoni aliomba akisema, Mungu nahitaji hekima ya kutofautisha kati ya mema na mabaya. Hilo ndilo ombi letu la leo. Umpe hiyo hekima, kwanza kuelewe kama Mungu wake, na pia atofautishe kati ya mabaya na mazuri, ili jina lako litukuzwe. Wenyeji wa Kisii wanamhitaji, wanamwangalia, wanahitaji kuangalia uongozi wake. Mungu wetu, twaomba uongozi uwe wa mibaraka ya pekee, sio tu kwa wenyeji wa Kisii, bali Kenya nzima nayo ishukuru kwa wema wake. Twaomba kwa ajili ya familia yake, twaomba kwa ajili ya serikali yake, na twaomba kwa watendakazi wote wa kila aina katika kaunti yetu ya Kisii, ambao pamoja watatenda kazi na His Excellency Mheshimiwa Paul Simba Arati. Mungu wetu, tukiwa zote huku twaombea taifa letu la Kenya, twakusifu kwa ajili ya utulivu uliopo baada ya kula zilizopiwa, na twaomba pia kwa ajili ya kesi iliyo kotini. Mungu wetu, tupe haki na utupe utulivu, ili zote kama Wakenya tusonge mbele na jina lako litukuzwe. Basi Mungu wetu, tumeomba na kuamini katika jina lake Yesu aliye Bwana na Mwokozi wetu, na wote waseme amen. Bwana wabariki.
Amen. Na sisi wote tuseme asante sana. Thank you so much, Bishop Joseph Maira and the clergy. Asante, Mungu awabariki sana. Governor-elect, Your Excellency Sir Honorable Paul Simba Arati, the First Lady. Bado hajasikia vizuri. Wapi nduru ya gavana wetu? Asante sana. Thank you. Kwa sasa nikikubalie gavana tuweze kumkaribisha ambaye atatuongoza katika hafla ifuatayo, the assumption office led by Mr. Patrick Lumumba, the county secretary Kisii County. Karibu sana Patrick Lumumba.
Thank you. Your Excellency Governor, the outgoing Governor and the incoming Governor of Kisii, Your Excellency Governor Simba Paul Arati, and our outgoing Governor who has served us for 2 terms, Your Excellency Governor Ngwai, the First Lady, Madam May, the Deputy Governor-elect and your First Lady, the County Senator, Richard Momoima, the County MP, Madam Donya, representatives of the UK Embassy and other development agencies who are present, all our members of Parliament, led by Zahir, who is the area member of Parliament, our elected members of the County Assembly, our Bishop Mairura, Vicar General and other church leaders. It is now my pleasure, because we do not have time, to ask members of the Committee of Assumption to stand where they are, so that the congregation and Wananchi can recognize the hard work you have done in arranging this beautiful ceremony. If you can just stand. Just wave to the crowd. Thank you very much for the beautiful job. At this time, because of time, I would love now to invite the Lady Justice Teresia Mumbua Madeka to proceed from here because of the strict timelines we have. Lady Justice, kindly take charge of this ceremony. Thank you very much.
Asante sana. Akisimama tuna tafadhali mtengeneze njia, sababu sasa gavana atapita ndio upande ule. Yes. Tutengeneze njia tafadhali. Thank you so much.
Wananchi wapendwa, sherehe ambayo tunaanza sasa ni sherehe ya kikatiba, na mnaomba kwa heshima hiyo muweze kuwa watulivu na muangalie yale ambayo yanatendeka. Atatuongoza Lady Justice Teresia Mumbua Madeka, akishirikiana naye Head of Station Madam Honorable Stella Abuya. Pia anaandamana kwa karibu na County Anthony,
tuwapigie makofi wanapofanya kazi yao.
Wakati judge anaendelea, kuna ceremony ambayo itatendeka. Please give me a moment. Whereby, yes, thank you. At the right moment, I'll ask the outgoing governor, His Excellency Governor Ngwai, to escort the governor-elect of Kisii to the dais where I will at the right moment.
Maridadi DJ. Asante sana. Tafadhali tunaomba tunyamaze kimya anapochukua kiapo cha ofisi His Excellency the Second Governor of Kisii. Silence kindly.
My lady, this is the swearing ceremony of the Governor-elect, Kisii County, pursuant to Gazette Notice number 98/84, dated 17th August 2022, who was elected into office on 9th August 2022 and was subsequently gazetted by IBC by Gazette Notice number 99/49 of 22nd August 2022. In fulfillment of the requirements of Article 74 of the Constitution, as read with Section 12 of the Assumption of Office of Governors Act, and pursuant to Section 40 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, as read with Regulation 34(2) of the Leadership and Integrity Regulations 2015, my lady, you are called upon to administer the oath of office to the governor. If it pleases you, my lady, I would like to call upon His Excellency, the Governor-elect Kisii County, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, to take position in front of the podium in readiness for the administration of the oath by the judge. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Kama mlivyosikia, Mheshimiwa Honorable Paul Simba Arati atakula kiapo cha kuchukua ofisi ya gavana na kukaribisha uchukue Biblia na ushikilie katiba kama vile sheria inavyosema na uweze kusoma kiapo chako.
I, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God. Thank you.
and Integrity Act, kwamba atawafanyia kazi kwa njia ya uadilifu. Governor, karibu.
I, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, holder of national ID 2248-1719, having been elected as the governor of Kisii County, do hereby confirm I have read and understood the specific leadership and integrity code prescribed for the state officer in the county executive of Kisii, and I hereby commit myself to abide by the provisions of the code. So help me God.
Shangwe na nderemo tena wananchi wa Kenya. Gavana wa pili anaenda kutia sahihi certificate kuonyesha rasmi anaanza kazi yake leo tarehe 25. Wapi shangwe na nderemo? Namwomba naibu wa gavana, deputy governor, tafadhali usonge mbele. Tafadhali, njoo mbele. Ile wimbo na wimbo.
Sisonge kidogo bana.
Mwananchi mzalendo kumwendea gavana wetu wa pili Excellence Paul Simba Arati.
Nilikuwa Nyamira, nilikuwa nishamweka vita huyu hapa ni Kisii. Kama hivi na simu yake nilikuwa Nyamira, sasa nishamweka vita. Singe kwa nini yako?
Haya, DJ.
The people of Kisii County, I present to you now your Governor, Honorable Simba Arati.
tafadhali songa nyuma kidogo gavana anapotuonyesha certificate yake. Ningependa kumkaribisha Her Excellency the First Lady, Her Excellency the First Lady, Ms. Paul Arati, to come forward. Wapi makofi ya First Lady? Kwa heshima maafisa tulio hapa tu, ningekuomba kwa heshima yenu tumwache gavana anayeondoka, gavana anayeingia, the deputy governor na viongozi wa kaunti wengine tushuke chini kidogo. Tafadhali tushuke chini kidogo. Na waomba tumwache women rep, senator, county secretary, wengine tushuke chini kidogo. Let's give ample time the officers of the court. Na waomba tushuke tu chini kidogo, tushuke.
Mwema irani ya Simba ingi mbonze. Songe nyuma boss. Songe nyuma. Kuja nyuma.
Tutamkaribisha tena Lady Justice Teresia Mungwa aweze kumchukua kiapo naibu wa gavana Daktari Robert Osare Honda. Wapi shangwe na nderemo?
My lady, this is the swearing-in ceremony of the Deputy Governor-elect, Kisii County, pursuant to Gazette Notice number 9884, dated 17 August 2022, who was elected into office on 9 August 2022 and was subsequently gazetted by IEBC by Gazette Notice number 9949 of 22nd August 2022. In fulfillment of the requirements of Article 74 of the Constitution, as read in Section 14 of the Assumption of Office of Governors Act 2019, and pursuant to Section 40 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, as read with Regulation 34(2) of the Leadership and Integrity Regulations 2015, my lady, you are called upon to administer the oath of office to the Deputy Governor, Kisii County. If it pleases you, my lady, I would like to call upon His Excellency, the Deputy Governor-elect, Kisii County, Honorable Robert Osare Mona, to take his position in front of the podium in readiness to administration of oath by the judge. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Okay. Pia kama mlivyosikia, Honorable Robert Osare Mona ambaye ni Deputy Governor atakula kiapo cha ofisi ya Deputy Governor na pia kiapo cha kusema kwamba atawafanyia kazi kwa njia ya uadilifu. Mheshimiwa, Biblia na katiba.
Honorable Dr. Robert Sarimonda, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the same office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God. Honorable Dr. Robert Sarimonda, ID number 1640646, having been elected as the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, do hereby confirm that I have read and understood the specific leadership and the integrity code prescribed for state officers in the county executive of Kisii, and hereby commit myself to abide by the provisions of the code. So help me God.
Shangwe na nderemo tafadhali. Asante.
Your Governor, Honorable Robert Onsare Monda.
DJ, cheza kama wewe. Basi nitamleta chairman wa Assumption Office Committee ambaye ni head of civil service aweze kumkaribisha gavana anayeondoka akabidhi the instruments of power. Welcome, CS.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii, Paul Simba Arati, it is now my pleasure to welcome the outgoing You have to wait, kidogo.
the signing of the certificate by His Excellency, the Deputy Governor, and they will display it on the full glare of you, Mwananchi.
So I present to you the Honorable Robert Onsare Monda, your Deputy Governor.
Basi ningependa wapige kiacho tena wamama. Your Excellency, kindly move forward kidogo. Sako kwa bako na upendo wake Mrs. Joyce Kemuma Monda. Asante, asante sana and congratulations. Tafadhali tutulie. Asante, tutulie kidogo. Basi tafadhali tunaomba tutulie kidogo tu kwa dakika moja.
My lady, that marks the end of the ceremony. I now hand over the program back to the Master of Ceremony.
Thank you. I want to invite the Chair Assumption Committee, Head of Civil Service, Mr. Patrick Lumumba. Thank you. Proceed on. Tawakumbusha tu tutulie bado. Tafadhali msiende mbali. First ladies, we are going to have a photo session with you. Please remain here.
Thank you very much. Our Judge, Lady Justice Teresia Mumbua Mateka. It's now my pleasure to invite the County Attorney to represent the instruments of power from the outgoing Governor, James Omariba Ongwae, to the incoming Governor of Kisii, His Excellency Honorable Paul Simba Arati. First,
Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii County, Honorable Excellency Honorable Paul Simba Arati, my Governor, it is now my pleasure to give you the instruments of power. I'm going to hand to you the county seal. I'll hand to you the county flag. I'll hand to you the county coat of arms. And I'm going to hand to you, Your Excellency, the Constitution, which will guide you in your daily activities. As we all, the people of this great county of Kisii, wish you well in your journey for the next 5 years, and God willing after that. May God bless you with your deputy and with your spouses, and I can also see my good senator is also standing next there. I wish you all the best. And my county MP is also here. Thank you very much. Doris, if you can stand on this side. I didn't see you because you were standing very far. Now the first thing that I'm handing to you is the county flag. Yeah, that's the flag. And you can see it's a good flag. We wish you the best, my brother. Probably I want to tell you something about this flag. If you can see, the stars there represent the 6 sub-tribes of Kisii County. If you can see those stars, they represent your Mubasi, they represent your Mogirango, they represent your Monchari, they represent your Mogetutu, they represent your Munyaribari, and they represent your Mumachoge. And then you can see the Kisii banana. We are a county of bananas, and we all grew through eating and selling the banana. And then you can see soapstone there. We are the only county in the world, in the entire world, that has got soapstone. And that's why you are seeing it there. And then, the best of the best, you can see Egetinge, which was important for our mothers as they brought us up. And of course you can also see tea, which brought us up. And finally, you can see the beautiful environment that we have. So my brother, I wish you the best. This is the coat of arms for the county, and this is what gives you also strength, my brother Governor. I'm giving you the county seal. This is the county seal. Anything that has been, this seal has been put on, know that that document is completely and absolutely legal. And then finally, my brother, the Constitution, which guides you, which also tells you to what you just took your oath of office, to be fair and to also follow the law. I thank you very much, my brother, and I wish you the best.
Your Excellency, before you leave, naomba tafadhali wengine tushuke hadi mimi, tumwache gavana anayeondoka, naibu wa gavana, seneta na county MP waweze kupigwa picha. Alafu baadaye first ladies muje hapa mbele nyote muungane kwa picha. Lakini kabla ya hiyo ningeomba Your Excellency waweze kuchukua njiwa. This is a dove, a sign of peace and prosperity to our county of Kisii. Nitahesabu 1 hadi 3 na mtaachilia. 1, 2, and 3. May we have Thank you, DJ. Thank you. First ladies. Naomba tafadhali msaidie kutoa meza hapa. I need help me move this table. Tuitoe. DJ, napenda jaza. First lady, Mama Elizabeth, kindly come forward too. This is our photo. DJ, ningependa Your Excellency Governor usonge mbele, and the Excellency the outgoing Governor, please move forward. Your Excellency, move forward for this photo. You two only, for as we wait for the first lady. The two of you. Deputy Governor, please join. Thank you very much. And now welcome the county MP and the senator to join on the photo. County MP and the senator
join in the photo. Lastly, I'll ask the Excellencies to move back one step to be joined by Her Excellencies, the First Ladies. And I'll request that the Senator, please, thank you for obeying that. Let's have this one, then I'll also call you together with your beloved wife. Thank you. Asante, DJ, Tulia, ningeomba sasa First Lady, Her Excellence Elizabeth, the outgoing governor, the incoming governor, and the First Lady, just to remain. Please, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, if you may step back, kindly. Look at our beautiful county. Look at our beautiful county. I'll kindly ask you, you hold hands and raise like this together. This is love. Thank you very much. DJ, I'll now ask all of you to go and sing. Your Excellence and the family, I will ask now that you take time to go and inspect the guard of honor. Tafadhali tutoke wote, tufungue njia. Naona familia ya gavana Simba Arati wako hapa na wangeomba picha naye. Kwa sababu mmefika, tafadhali tuongeeni mbele. Thank you, Your Excellency, your governor. Naomba tafadhali wengine tumwache familia ya gavana anayeingia. Tuharakishe, we are getting late of time. Please take photos. Tusonge. Tutoke tu tafadhali, let's give His Excellency the governor ample time to have a photo. Tunamfinya sana hapa. Please, police officers, help us. Let's have some order. Hii ndio familia ya governor Simba Arati, gavana wa pili. Na sote tuseme Simba Leta. Asante tafadhali. Sasa tushuke wote. Kwa heshima, Your Excellency, naomba usonge mbele. Wananchi wapendwa, kwa mara ya kwanza kabisa tarehe 25, tafadhali turudi tuketi. Tutoke kwa uwanja, kila mtu atoke kwa uwanja. Kila mtu atoke kwa uwanja. Wale waliosimama pale, tokeni kwa uwanja. Your Excellency, 1 minute. Tutoke hao watu wamesimama hapa chini, tusonge nyuma ya podium, tafadhali. Tokeni, tusimame tena hapo mbele. Ningeomba basi tutulie. Tafadhali tusonge tuwe nyuma. Tokeni kwa nyasi. Kama umesimama kwa nyasi, toka. Ikiwa umesimama kwa nyasi, toka. Wale naongelesha wamesimama pale. We are doing a very serious thing. Move back. Let's go back. Turudi. Tafadhali. Tutoke.
Tufanye haraka.
Kwa sababu ya muda tufanye haraka. Naomba tusikize, ni heshima. Basi naomba wananchi tusimame wima. Kila mtu asimame. Ikiwa umevalia kofia isiyo rasmi, tunaomba usimame kimya na utulie kwa heshima ya taifa letu tukufu na heshima ya kaunti.
Watu wote tusimame, uwanja mzima tusimame tafadhali. Tusimame sisi wote. Tusimame sisi wote.
Band. wajumbe wa Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki, tutulie tafadhali, tutulie. Gavana anaomba sasa aweze kukagua waride ya heshima iliyoandaliwa kwa heshima yake kama gavana wa pili wa jimbo.
Security please, wachana na yeye. Security give him time please, wachana na yeye. Security please, thank you. Moja tu, thank you. Security. He is celebrating moja tu, thank you. Security please.
Gavana kwa heshima na kwa mara, songeni kando tafadhali. Kwa mara ya kwanza kabisa anakagua waride ya heshima iliyoandaliwa kwa heshima yake kama gavana wa pili wa jimbo la Kisii.
Asante sana. Wengine tunaweza kaa sasa. Wengine tukae tafadhali. Tukae, asante sana. Thank you. Wengine tukae.
Buya Nyasai wakiongoza Salvation Army Band na Kisii County Enforcement Officer. Buya Nyasai anaomba ruhusa ya kuondoa waride iliyoandaliwa kwa heshima yake gavana wa pili, na gavana amesema permission granted. Naomba tafadhali gavana atulie jukwaa tu anapopanda na akishuka. Wapi makofi ya gavana wetu, Gavana Simba Arati, His Excellency. Tunaomba kusimama jukwaa kuu anapoingia gavana wa pili, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati. Wapi makofi?
Asante sana, thank you. Tusimame jukwaa tunapomkaribisha gavana wetu wa pili wa Kisii County, Gavana Paul Simba Arati. Tusimame tukimkaribisha anapoingia jukwani. Asante sana. Haya, wale ambao mko kwa uwanja tafadhali tutoke sisi wote. Asante. Wapi makofi ya gavana anapoingia jukwani? Asante.
Kwa heshima sasa namkabidhi mwenzangu ambaye ni Master of Ceremony of the Day.
Thank you.
Aweze kuendelea.
Asante sana. Asante sana. Thank you. Abantu wa Kisii County biyamale. Iriya tangi iriya tabona choma sikani kiasi banetaya. Asante sana. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Asante sana. Asante sana. Thank you. Wale ambao mko kwa uwanja tafadhali mtulie. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa Osoro, karibu sana. Na mkubalie aingie peke yake tafadhali. Aingie tu peke yake. Wapi makofi ya Mheshimiwa Silvanus Osoro? Thank you so much. Thank you Mheshimiwa, karibu sana. Karibu sana. Thank you. Asante. Aya, tukubaliane tafadhali. Aya, asante Mosoro, mheshimiwa wako sawa. Please. You can pave way. Thank you so much. Asante. Aya, asante sana. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. God is good, Kisii. All the time. Asante sana. Kwa sasa ningependa maridadi. Asante sana. Kwa heshima sasa kikundi cha reinforcement Kisii County, kwa heshima mheshimiwa Your Excellency Simba Arati usimame tukiwapokea saluti ya heshima kikosi cha Kisii County Reinforcement Team. Ndio saluti ya heshima ya kumkaribisha gavana mpya. Wapi nduru ya kikosi chetu cha Reinforcement Kisii County. Asante sana, tusimame sisi wote kwa heshima. Maridadi. Yes. Maridadi. Wanatoa heshima yao kwa gavana mpya. Gavana wa pili Kisii County. Gavana Simba Arati. Maridadi. Asante sana. Aya, tukae. Thank you so much. Tukae tafadhali. Maridadi. Aya. Sasa maridadi. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kikosi chetu cha Kisii County Reinforcement, asante sana. Kwa sasa our governor, the second governor.
One of them is to Jomo Kenyatta University as a center of excellence for oncology, and Kisii University as a center of excellence for health education in East and Central Africa. And it's a major project, Your Excellency. I'll give you the details. If you follow that with the Vice Chancellor, these people of Kisii County will feel very nice. Your Excellency, the people of South Mugirango voted for you, even if they are their own candidate. You got a lot of votes from there, and I've been able to see. There is a sugar factory. The investor is supposed to start putting in place. I'll give you all the facts, Your Excellency, so that you can finish it. Your Excellency, Suneka Stadium. The national government came and put a contractor there. He removed the airstrip, sorry, Suneka airstrip. He removed the former airstrip, and nothing can land there for the last 2 years. And we have followed it, but I know with your vigor you should be able to follow national government to ensure they finish that project. Your Excellency, this stadium. The former president, the current president, Uhuru Kenyatta, he has not handed over, promised us 150 million. But we didn't wait for him, we put the Tata truck. But he's supposed to, that money is supposed to do the entire embankment. He's supposed to put lights here. He's supposed to have 2 or 3 pavilions, one on that side and another one on that side, and a few other things, niceties to finish this stadium. This is the best stadium as it is right now. In the name of that money before he leaves office, the 150 million. Because if we leave you to start looking for that money from the county, you probably will use money that would have gone to more serious things like health services, which Your Excellency have heard you talk about very many times. Finally, Your Excellency, you know And I want to say this with a light joke. You know about Ogebo municipality and the other major towns. Please open them, and that should be your first charge as you take office. My brothers and sisters of Kisii, I thank you sincerely for the 10 years. Nobody is able, nobody is God. I had my own idiosyncrasies. I had my own problems as a person. But I want to believe that where I tried, I also tried. Abagusii mintongo bakera miyamono. Da inche tigawe ndo muroyo musani ona has taken over. Tigama mana siasa. Onyo musani ona mana ruko mena teni. I wish you all the very best, and may God be with you and may God bless you. Thank you very much. As I finish now, allow me. I have already introduced the members of parliament who are here, but this is a function, this is a formal function for our new governor, His Excellency Simba Arati. So we have all agreed that there will be no speeches except for those that are in charge of the county, that are members of parliament, either Senate or National Assembly, that are in charge of this county. In that regard, therefore, allow me to call the outgoing Senator, Mzee Professor Sam Kegengo Ngeri, to come and say his words. Professor Kegengo Ngeri, please. Thank you very much. I'm told Mzee is just coming, is on the way. Let me now call Madam Donya to come and say a word.
Wapi makofi ya Doris Donya Toto.
Thank you, our outgoing governor, Honorable Omwai. Thank you very much for the peaceful transition. May God bless you and your family. And to Almighty God, our ever-living and loving God, graciously we thank you for this occasion. To our new governor, Honorable Simba, you had a good fight. This is what God has given. To the people of Kisii County, we believe in you. We have hope and not fear. To everybody who participated in this election, to our dear Senator Richard Munyonga, to my family members, my husband who is here, and my father, Kisii sweethearts, and everyone, I promise that I will not let you down. We will commence the Kisii County Sweetheart Circle. To our governor, our challenges are real. We don't have piped water. Our health facilities are not equipped. Please, Governor, achieve this agenda. Make our county great. Make our people feel dignified. As you go home, God bless you. We love you. Thank you very much.
Mzee Sam, Professor Sam Kegengo Ngeri, our good outgoing senator for Kisii County, Mzee Ngeri.
Your Excellency, Governor Paul Simba Arati, First Lady, Mama Simba Arati, the outgoing Governor, Your Excellency, Governor Elvis Owai, the first outgoing First Lady, the Deputy Governor, Your Excellency, Robert Monda, and the Mama Robert Monda, members of Parliament, the senators, and the women representative, Madam Justice Teresia Mumua Mateka, who conducted these services, Bishop Ayura, the other clergies, ladies and gentlemen,
My duty is very simple. You have now got the mantle to run this county as the substantive governor of Kisii County. I want to wish you and my wife and my family God's blessings, because I know when you put God first, you're going to succeed. It's quite a very popular society. It requires a lot of input. Don't hesitate whatsoever at any time to consult us when you need us. We will gladly help you to be able to move this county to another level. That's our way. That's our way of Yes, let's give him power and support. The politics is now over. I want to say, wacha sasa siasa tuweke kando. Wacha sasa tuingie katika mambo ya maendeleo. Na tuheshimiane na tulete maendeleo ili watoto wetu wapate nafasi ya kuendelea mbele. Kuna programs and projects governor has mentioned, particularly the sugar factory in Nyambete. I took extra trouble to be able to get land alienated by the Senate, so we can be able to have it built as a sugar factory in the south of Oklahoma. I want you to take a very active part in ensuring that that sugar factory is up and running. You have so much on your plate, and I know you have the agility, you have the power, you have the support from the people that you can move this country forward. God bless you. We see progress in this country. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's now my honor, distinct honor, to invite the Member of Parliament for Kitutu Chache South, and who was a Member of Parliament for Kitutu Chache, my former Member of Parliament, who is now our Senator, Richard Onyonka, to say a word.
Your Excellencies, Governor James Obai, who is my outgoing governor, my incoming governor Paul Simba Arati, First Lady Mrs. Obai, First Lady Mrs. Simba. Before I say anything, Your Excellency, Governor James Obai, I consulted with Governor Simba and he has given a very small responsibility. All the members of Parliament who ran for elections and won, would you please come and stand here? Please, I'm asking Honorable Barongo, Honorable Soro, Honorable Alpha, Honorable Kibagendi, Honorable Dr. from Buchari, Onchoke, please come here, all of you. Your singular responsibility is to say your name, your constituency, and please, that's it. So that we can do speeches another time. It is with a lot of respect. We will start with Honorable Dr. Madugu.
Thank you, Senator. Your Excellency, Governor Simba Arati, Your Excellency, the First Lady, our outgoing Governor, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor and your family, distinguished guests, I know my name is Dr. Mandugu, Member of Parliament, Yaiba Masawa. Your Excellency, Simba Arati, count on our support, and we pray to God for providence, good health, so that you can make Kisii a great county. Lastly, Your Excellency, these people elected you, and we are asking you, you shall be our spokesman on all matters political. We don't want to hear anyone out there speaking for Kisii except Simba Arati. Do you understand?
Honorable Barongo, the Member of Parliament for Mumachoge Moram. Abantu bamito ba Kisii County na babali b'Ibyamunde. I would like you to allow me together to congratulate the incoming governor, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati, without forgetting the heritage that we are seeing here of a peaceful handover of power from the outgoing governor, James Ongwae, and the team. I am the member of parliament representing the great people of Mumachoge Borabu, and mine is just to wish the incoming governor good health. And I want to assure you, governor, that we will support you and we wish you good health. Nimoke County here on Yesukibosio. Honorable Kirageni, Member of Parliament, Kitutu Church South.
Abagusii na Abagusii Miyamole. Thank you so much, our incoming governor, Simba Paul Arati, our outgoing governor, James Ongwae, and your spouses, all the distinguished guests. I'm indeed elected to be here to witness the swearing in of our governor, Simba Arati. While he was being sworn in, tears rolled down my cheek because I saw a son of a poor man rise up to rule and lead the people of Kisii County. This is excellent. We would also like to appreciate our outgoing governor, particularly for this magnificent piece of art, Abagusii Stadium, and the work you've done for the people of Kisii County. So we invite the incoming governor to pick up from where you left for him to be able to take Kisii County to the next level. Governor Simba Arati, I have assured you, mimi ni kijana wako wa mkono na tutafanya kazi pamoja ya kupeleka Kisii County mbele. Thank you so much and work for the people of Kisii County. Simba Neta, sorry, please, the gentleman who sang that song, do something for him. Thank you.
Thank you. The incoming Member of Parliament, Kitutu Chache North, Mr. Jaff Ogamba. His Excellencies, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, the incoming governor, the outgoing governor, Honorable James Ongwae, with your spouses. I'm here on behalf of my family and on behalf of the people of Kitutu Church North to say congratulations to my brother Simba Arati. And I want to tell you, we as members of parliament, we will support you, we will guide you where.
I want to tell you to work with you. You will be coming with the other leaders.
Thank you so much. The person to come next is my former colleague, Member of Parliament from Mumachoge, Honorable Alpha Miruka, Mumachoge Church.
Thank you, my Senator, Your Excellency, Paul Simba Arati. My happiness is I know we have come shoulders with the outgoing governor, and I know that now Mwafwa Wisaniga is some other side work together for the betterment of this county. I know where has experience in terms of leadership. Paul Simba Arati is a very good, a successful member of parliament, now the new governor in Kisii County. We wish you luck. May God bless you so much. But I want to remind you one thing. I come from Ucha, a probable county next time. We need a study like this in a field called Tengere. Now this is over. Now I extend the county services to Ucha in Tengere Stadium. We come from there. Another very important thing, my governor, don't forget to give level 5 hospital. This is done, Maran is done, now go to Ogembo. The last bit of the story, make sure you put up a good factory in my constituency. What we need is service delivery. May God bless you so much. Be blessed.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa Alpha. Yule sasa ambaye nitamwita is a friend of mine. A young man was dreaming to become the member of parliament for Nyaibari. Mheshimiwa Zahir Janda.
Thank you so much, Senator, Your Excellency, our incoming Governor, Mheshimiwa Simba Arati, First Lady, Mrs. Arati, the outgoing Governor, Your Excellency, Dr. James Ogwai, and the First Lady, Mrs. Ogwai, all protocols observed. Mimi kwa majina ninaitwa Mheshimiwa Zahir Janda. Mimi ndio mbunge wa hapa Nyaibari chache, sina mengi ya kusema kwa sababu ya muda. Your Excellency, Bwana Governor, Your Excellency, Bwana Governor, I want to assure you of our commitment and our unwavering support despite our political affiliation. Sisi tuko kwa ile mrengo ingine ya UDA, but I can assure you tutasimama na wewe, na ndio maana sisi kama wabunge tumekuja hapa, tuko nyuma yako na tunakusupport. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Asanteni sana.
Asante sana Zahir. Sasa nitamwita rafiki yangu Nikomoni Mwainitwa. Mheshimiwa Osoro ako Rogendo Moni Mosongo. Asante bwana.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii County, Your Excellency Paul Simba Arati, Your Excellency the First Lady, Your Excellency James Ogwai, our outgoing Governor, na viongozi wote ambao wamekuja hapa. Hamjambo. Your Excellency, for me, this is a dream come true because it's a dream that was born out of a committee meeting that I served with you in the committee on implementation. When we were doing a bit of some report about the Nairobi County on some projects that were duplicated by the national government and the county government. And then you mentioned to me that you want to be governor of Kisii County. And I did told you that it's about time that we have a generational change in Agusii area. It is now true that today we are having a generational change in Kisii County. We're having one of the youngest governors in Kenya. We have fought history as a country for having elected a person who of course came directly from Nairobi politics and fight for the fact. And in Uganda, so many votes across the country, devoid of the political affiliations. People voted for you, you know, unanimously. You got about 200 and something, 280,000 votes. To me, my call upon you is that to whom much is given, much is expected. People have come here because of hope. All the multitudes that you see here are about hope. They want to see change in Kisii. They want to see things flowing. They want to see you doing things extraordinary. They want to see bursaries. They want to see roads. They want to see employment opportunities. Actual employment opportunities, visible ones. And once you do that, trust me, in 2027, you'll have no competition. But if you don't do that in 2027, I'll compete with you, and I will do that. Your Excellency, I also call upon you that even as you pursue your 5-year goal and dream, kindly, Your Excellency, please work with the national government. Regardless of the court's outcome, if it happens that the court will rule that William Ruto is the president, swear allegiance to William Ruto and help the people of Kisii County. If it goes otherwise, go to that other side. But if it goes to William Ruto, you must support William Ruto so that we proceed together. And me, as the chief whip of the National Assembly, I make sure I connect you there so that we progress together. William Ruto
is the president, I must accept that. Thank you very much. God bless you. You can move on your rights. Asante sana.
Ningependa moja kidogo, ningependa kusema jambo moja kabla sijamaliza. Kagetera limonde kerere ni uwate kakengu kwana. Gavana wangu Simba Arati. Ningependa kusema kuwa wakati tulianza hii safari tulikuwa na ndoto. Safari yako na yangu zinashoneka pamoja. Kazi yangu ilikuwa ndogo sana, kutafuta kuzungumzia na kuhakikisha kuwa umenieleza ni lipi utakajaribu kufanyia jamii ya Kisii. Ulinitoshelesha, nikakuelewa na tukaamua tuanze safari. Kabla sijasema mawili, ningependa kutoa asante zangu kwa mama yangu mzazi, Mama Triza ambaye yuko hapa. My mother is around here, the most incredible woman. She's here. Stand up, Mom. They want to see you. She's a bit old and unwell. Mama Triza, she's there. I want to also thank my wife Beatrice, who's here. I want to thank Honorable Simba's wife, Madam May, the most amazing person I've ever worked with in politics. She was meticulous, intelligent, and she made sure we stayed together. I want to thank Governor James Ogwai. Nyasaye wuli, ayeno musata mumusata. Mbigamone so woto tigato kuenjura. I want to thank the people of Kitutu Church who have elected me for so many years. I am shocked that I am now going to be serving 20 years in Parliament, and I don't know how to thank you. Abagusii mwesi Chikura mwandu akirete, abanyali bali muyamono, abanjali muyamono, ababasi muyamono, abamachoge muyamono, abagetutu bamindega yenjogu. Morende mutwa kama ende inaigorwe omwano yoikana mwateri yanda yogo chenjusi momo sabere momo rende momo wate nonkolonko esabali togo chinero ya chaka mopanga tore kuna togo chikoligi ya kanane mwepange omsomito. Your Excellency Governor Simba Arati, I would now want to ask you, before I forget, thank you, Baba. You are the most wonderful person that I could have wished to have been in the team with. With us, Your Excellency, there is a lady who's been nominated by UDA. She's going to be in the Senate. Her name is Gloria Roba, and she is number 1 on the Senate for Jubilee. It's good to recognize her. Without saying much, I'll hand back to His Excellency James Ogwai, who will then call Governor Simba. Thank you.
Richard, let me now conclude by asking all the members of the County Assembly, those who won, Kibora and Chesmore, wherever you are, just stand and wave, please. Members of the County Assembly, you know you are many. We wish you all the very best. I can see those who came back and the others who came in. We wish you all the very best. Please support Simba Arati in your endeavors. Your Excellency, let me conclude by again saying, and we have agreed with you that I'll give you all the support that you need. You know me as a person. You know I move on, I moved on. I just wish you well. Madam Elizabeth Ongwae, if you can stand and also wave as we go, as we also go, please wave. Biyamono Baba Elizabeth Biyamono. Muswani Urumu Machoge, Biyamono San. I thank you very much. I know that I'm going to give you the flag. Put the flag on your vehicle before we leave. I'm kindly requesting you, because you will be surrounded by so many people, if after putting the flag you allow me to leave. Your Excellency, it will not be disrespect. I'm requesting that you allow me to leave in front of you as after we put the flag, because I know that you are going to be surrounded. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now my duty and responsibility to ask the Deputy Governor, our Deputy Governor, Dr. Monda, to now take over. Dr. Monda, you can say your word, and then invite our Governor of this great county to talk to us. Thank you very much.
Tumpigie makofi Deputy Governor wetu anaposimama, tumpigie makofi. Karibu sana Deputy Governor Dr. Robert Monda.
Thank you, Your Excellency Governor Ongwae, for inviting me to address this gathering. Your Excellency Governor Simba Arati and the outgoing Governor Honorable His Excellency James Ongwae, the outgoing Deputy Governor George Mangi, the Senator-elect, my brother, I always refer to Super Senator in our campaigns, Honorable Richard Onyonga, our Mia Women Rep, Doris Donyabori, whom we ran around with in the campaigns, the presiding judge, Lady Justice Teresia Matenga, the County Commissioner and his national government team, honorable members of the National Assembly present, and I'm happy that all of you in the entire county are here with one who is in a foreign trip, the Member of Parliament for Abagusii, and I bring his apology because he spoke to me. Honorable members of the County Assembly present, the church leadership present led by His Lordship Bishop Mayura and all other denominations, including the Muslim community. Our development partners, all stakeholders, members of my family who are here, friends and fellow citizens of our great county. Before I proceed, Your Excellency, allow me to ask members of my family, wherever you are seated, please, you stand and wave to this congregation here. Everyone from the Monda family who are present, including my dear wife, whom all the time I sent to represent me in the campaign. Please wave, all of you, including my grandchildren who are here. Please wave at the gate seated. Ladies and gentlemen, first I wish to thank God for bringing us all together this far and for granting us this victory. I wish to welcome all of you who have come from all corners of this county and beyond to this auspicious location to witness as we embark on this journey of leading this great county. To our invited guests who are most welcome, you are most welcome to celebrate with us the joint effort in building our county. I want Your Excellency to take this opportunity to thank you, Your Excellency, indeed, for the trust and the confidence that you made us partner with you. We are partners in this journey and we are made it together. I thank you indeed for the opportunity to serve together with you. Together with Senator and the women rep as Simba Arati team, as we have all the time prepared ourselves, we traverse all the corners of the county and the God, the aspirations of our people as a team. As we take up the mantle of leadership of this county today, I commit to support you and ensure that we fulfill the promises that we made to our people. To the people of this country, you are the most important players in this game. Every vote that you casted in our favor was a demonstration of strong belief and trust you have in our trust. Of our county to come and address us.
Thank you. The Honorable Governor, Kisii County, Honorable Simba Arati, the First Lady, the Honorable Outgoing Governor of Kisii County, Honorable Boy, and the First Lady, Honorable Deputy Governors present, elected members, ladies and gentlemen. Hamjambo tena. Yangu yatakuwa machache sana. Kwanza, ningependa nichukue nafasi hii I congratulate the incoming Governor, Honorable Paul Arati. Welcome, and I wish to congratulate you as you get into the office. On the same breath, ningependa pia nichukue fursa hii to congratulate the outgoing governor. He has had his time in office and we appreciate what he was able to do. And I also mostly appreciate kwamba ameweza kufanikisha hii sherehe ya handing over. Lastly, I wish to take this opportunity to assure the incoming governor that the national government will work very closely with you, with your county government, to ensure that we deliver services to the people. I want to assure you that we shall forever be guided
by the principles of the Constitution that guides relations between the two levels of government, which stipulates that we should deal with each other with complementarity and consultation. I want to assure you that the entire national government is ready for your consultation, and we shall work as a team. Lastly, may I thank the people of Kisii for conducting peaceful elections, and as the leaders have said, campaigns are over, now is going back to business of national building. Kwa hivyo ningeuliza kila mmoja wetu sasa tuweke tofauti zile tulikuwa nazo za kisiasa kando, tujenge taifa letu. Once again, thank you very much, the Honorable Governor, and congratulations for taking over your mantle. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my singular honor and a privilege to invite the second governor of Kisii County, His Excellency Simba Arati.
Thank you, thank you. Get in. Mwanyegetinge miyamole. Jambo tokuwa na ligano nekero monta saringa miyamole. Thank you. My predecessor, the outgoing Governor, His Excellency James Ongwae, the Deputy Governor-elect, Dr. Honda, the Senator-elect, my brother, Honorable Richard Yonka, the Women Rep, Representative, the presiding judge, the Lady Justice Teresia Maleka, the County Commissioner, honorable members of Parliament, honorable members of the County Assembly, the clergy led by His Lordship Joseph Mairura, other faith leaders, distinguished invited guests, and members of my family, friends and fellow great people of Kisii County. This afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, I want to be very brief with the statement that I'm going to make today. Allow me to start. I stand here before you today with utmost humility and solemn gratitude as I take up the duty to serve as the second governor of Kisii. Ladies and gentlemen, on a momentous day like this one, it's often not possible to acknowledge everyone who has supported us in this channel. But allow me to single out the church for their prayers, for the spiritual guidance in the transformation of our county's affairs. We have managed to walk this journey as one united family. I thank you. I pay special tribute during my entire political career and for being an amazing mother to my children. I also wish to extend
my heartfelt gratitude to my campaign team, led by the campaign secretariat, agents, well-wishers for the conversation is going on. It has passed a binding document, a covenant between the elected and those who elect you, the people. Today, right here, now, we are embarking on the journey of not only actualizing the covenant we made with you, also asking you to work with us as we implement our socio-economic and the development plan for our county. Our covenant with our people of Kisii County was based on 5 pillars, namely 1, devolution and government, wealth creation, sustainable environment, and environmental conservation, social development, enablers, and ICT. Ladies and gentlemen, a country that is angry and sick is unproductive. It cannot be complete with a fast-paced and ever-evolving Kenyan society. We have promised to equip, train, upgrade all our sub-county hospitals to level 5 hospitals to attend to medical conditions afflicting our people while at the same time improving the quality of medical care they receive. This can only be possible if those charged with the responsibility of running our medical facilities are made accountable for their sins of omission and commission. My fellow countrymen and women, my administration will pursue accountability where those charged with running public institutions will be called upon to discharge their duties with the utmost diligence and undivided attention. This is non-negotiable. For instance, it is possible for the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital to be in a position to generate its revenue, pay its staff without necessarily relying on the county government. Yes, this is possible. This is the accountability document that my administration will pursue. We promise to provide universal health care and affordable housing program, what we want to call the Simba Shelter Scheme. Simba Shelter Scheme aims to provide relief to the thousands of our vulnerable families from ballooning medical bills and lack of decent housing, respectively. Ladies and gentlemen, the construction and equipping of ECD centers with the state-of-the-art facility in all designated ECD centers across the county, working closely with the Ministry of Education and other stakeholders to improve access, equip quality, relevance, and education financial in primary, secondary, and tertiary institutions is undertaking that my government is determined to make a reality. We made a promise that our children would not walk hundreds of kilometers in search of meal. Bright children need bursaries, not to stay at home. Abantu baminto. Apart from ensuring that institutions of learning are equipped with the necessary tools of trade, my administration will also ensure that there is a functioning school feeding program and accessible and transparent bursary fund. Turning to agricultural products, we are all aware that Kisii County is struggling to regain its lost glory as a cash crop-rich country. The days when farming ensured a steady, incoming for household and improve livelihood for dependents are long gone. Ladies and gentlemen, as I'm coming to an end, it's not lost on us that we are inheriting a country facing financial crisis, a ballooning wage bill, and a workforce. Public appointments have largely been based on chronism and personal connections, suspect procurement dealings, and the ghost service delivery dealing that have hurt the economy and the fortune of our county. As we extend on all branches those willing to work with us on this journey, we will not hesitate to clench our fists and firmly deal with those who oversee the routing of public resources under their care. An efficient public administration can only be achieved if the country, among all the county service workforce, understands the monumental task ahead of us. We will consult on issues that touch on well-being of our people, but we won't hesitate to reprimand those who will stand in the way of change. The Public Service Board will be called upon to work closely with the county government to oversee the gaps in personnel management, but at the same time review the status of the county role as provided in the law. Ladies and gentlemen, a majority of our people are youth, and the county government bureaucratic procurement rules have denied them a chance to take part in the constitutional right of accessing 30% of all county government tenders. My administration will pay a special attention to this group and ensure that the likes of hundreds of our suppliers of goods and services get access to the county service and payment. Finally, we have a huge task ahead of us, but together and speaking in one voice, we will deliver on the promise we have made to our people. A promise of a more sensitive, accessible, accountable county government. I look forward to a robust engagement with the county assembly, the provincial administration, our development partners, and all other key stakeholders. My brothers, before I end, I want to recognize that I know we are flagged here with a number of diplomatic corps members. I know the British High Commissioner is represented here. I've seen the Chinese government represented here. The Director Generals, Director General Nema, my brother Mamo, there are those ones also who joined with you. There are a number of Director Generals with us here. I want to state that a number of these stakeholders will engage you. My brother Mamo, there is a dumping site here. I'm happy, my brother Rumumba, I called you last week, you removed the garbage from the road. I hope we'll locate that dumping site. For the thieves and grabbers of ATC land, I want to send a warning shot that will deal with you squarely, without mercy. Without mercy or favor. We have a long generation, a young generation ahead of us. We can't afford to lose land to some few individuals who have money and who can buy land elsewhere. Yes, campaigns are over. Yes, campaigns are over. Friendship apart, we have our duty. And that duty is to serve these people. I want to request those ones who have been routing the public funds, please come and apologize to the public. We may forgive you. We may forgive you, but we'll pass through you the courts led by the Lordship and our honor, justice and magistrate, for them to get the justice that they deserve. For 5 years to come, the staff of the county, do not be scared of anything if you have not done anything wrong. I want to promise my governor outgoing, my brother, my elder brother, I'll accommodate your team, a good team. I know in your team we had some rotten individuals. Those ones accept that we must send them home. Governor, my outgoing governor, I want to plead with you. I'll always consult with you. Because you have an experience, you have a history of this institution. And this institution requires that history for us to make Kisii great again. Abantu baminto, ntegete nkole ngotebaiga. Chinga chichegas cheikire. Nainche nao nchukanana. Gusiengi makorubogirango. Obo machoge. Bonchari. Bogetutu. Nyalibali. Nabo basi. Ntagete mbakire mbia monese kura mwangete. Inche tindi muoba. Naende ntaete mbatebye maene. Abantu baminto ngokora tulegasi mpaka marayika ari igoro agoke. Emyaka yetu nemeke Gusii yetu naliego chenya ntoko tintene narabuya na kinatebete a function ya lero my going out governor tigango tebinga etwabe babegete 58 million 57. My brother knows that. Nimbwata kigali chi nyachiane tintage tigali account. Nimbwate snaga chirenkomenya tintageti korenti enyomba. The outgoing governor of his Chirichia una Chirichia deputy ntwanyo tomonto konyara gochirosia gochi milioni 5 ibere nkoira na chire chigorano ena mariogo. Abantu baminto ntaete nkole ngotebaiga abarayi baminto abajumbe mura abaheshimiwa abajumbe ba parliament ba county assembly, my brothers, abantu abanabutokoleregas 10% eri abantu bawoteba ninchengegu natebire etenene egenda sama lyogo. Kitokonya abantu baitu banyore basari, abantu baitu banyore amariogo epara tonyakole. Governor, I want to promise you, apart from what the president promised 100 million for this field, I look for money. I'll fill and finish a stadium in your honor. Munganchere mboli abantu baminto umole tayari sabalie tigangondoroso kubokona umole tayari sabali Imbiya mono Nyasaye abaseseni na mutuanchere esere molienke ekere gavana egosoka kurobisi akorusie bendere segali yae na kubeke segali yane bono eserikali yansire gas Imbiya mono Nyasaye abe nainwe.
Asante sana, tusimame hivyo, tusimame tafadhali. Thank you DJ. Tusimame tafadhali. Reverend Charles Mosomi Saboke. Reverend Charles Mosomi Saboke tafadhali karibia mbele ukitufanyia ombi la mwisho. Na pia tujiandae kwa wimbo wa taifa tunapomaliza, lakini kwa sasa Reverend Charles Mosomi Saboke akitufanyia ombi la mwisho ambaye anasimamia makanisa ya Pentecostals. Asante sana kwa kazi nzuri wale wote ambao tumeshirikiana kuhakikisha kwamba siku ya leo imefanikiwa. Reverend Charles Mosomi Isaboke, karibu sana. Tutulie tafadhali, tutulie. Kamorancha abantu baitu tumusike Nyasaye asama sabo gatugukura. Alafu kisha baadaye tupate wimbo wa taifa na wimbo wa East Africa tumalize. Karibu.
Asante gavana wetu mpya, tunashukuru kama wachungaji. Tunasema Mungu akubariki na pia akubariki gavana ambao unaenda, na tunasema
wacha Mungu awabariki wote. Wacha tuombe, tufunge macho tuombe. Baba mtakatifu, katika jina la Yesu Kristo, tunashukuru kwa sababu ya siku ya leo Bwana, ambao ni ya muhimu sana katika mji wetu wa Kisii County, kupata gavana wa pili ambaye ni mheshimiwa Your Excellency Simba Arati kuwa gavana katika mji huu. Mimi kama
mchungaji naomba hekima ya kutoka mbinguni imtawale kwa kuongoza hii Kisii County ambayo ina mambo mengi, inahitaji mambo mengi, lakini tunaomba mkono wako uwe juu yake ili akiongoza hii county aiongoze kulingana na neno lako. Nasi kama kanisa tutasimama pamoja na yeye ili tuone kaunti hii imeenda mbele katika jina la Yesu Kristo. Asante kwa sababu ya gavana ambaye anaondoka na wote ambao wanaondoka na wale ambao wameingia, senators wameingia, wajumbe wote wameingia. Tunawaombea mema, wakae katika kaunti hii katika uaminifu na watendee wananchi yaliyo sawa kulingana na mapenzi yako. Baba, tunasema asante, wewe ni Mungu ambao unajibu maombi katika jina safi la Yesu Kristo. Tumeomba hata tukiamini, sote tuseme amen.
Amen. Tukiwa tumesimama tafadhali tutulie, tumesimama kwa wimbo wa taifa, wimbo wa East Africa. Karibu. Wimbo wa taifa. Asante sana. Kwa sasa tunamwomba governor, the outgoing governor together with the incoming governor wakitangulia wafanye sherehe yao tafadhali. Wengine tuendelee kusimama mpaka wamalize sherehe yao vile tumeelekezwa. So the outgoing governor together with the incoming governor wako na sherehe kidogo tafadhali. Wale ambao mko pale msonge nyuma kabisa, muwapishe. Our security team, you can take charge please as you usher in the incoming governor and the outgoing governor. Wafanye sherehe yao ya kubadilishana bendera, alafu mambo ikuwe vizuri. Asante sana. The security team, you can usher them in that order. Asante sana committee ya Assumption Office ikiongozwa na Patrick Lumumba na wale wote ambao wameshirikiana kuhakikisha kwamba siku ya leo imefanikiwa. Asante wageni wetu wote wa heshima wale ambao mmepata nafasi kufika siku ya leo, tunasema asante sana. Asante sana.
DJ, tumeona mkono wa Bwana. DJ. Tafadhali tutulie kwanza, the outgoing governor afanye sherehe, akimaliza alafu ndio baadaye akaweze kuondoka, atakuwa wa kwanza kuondoka na the incoming governor awe wa pili kuondoka. Asante sana, tutulie tu hivyo, wale ambao tuko kwa juu tafadhali tutulie. Asante sana, thank you. Mheshimiwa Andrew Maumi, asante sana kwa kuchagua, thank you. The head of InFM, Kaka William Santani, thank you so much, sir. I can see you there. Asante sana, thank you. Pastor Peter Morona, thank you. Asante. Pishe, Governor wetu, the outgoing governor, His Excellency Governor James Ongwae, atoka kwanza, alafu baadaye, our second governor, His Excellency Governor Simba Arati, kwa utaratibu atakuwa wa pili kutoka kwa utaratibu. Asante sana, thank you. The governor, outgoing governor, is driving himself. The outgoing governor, His Excellency Governor James Elvis Ongwae, is driving himself. Tupigie makofi gavana wetu kwa heshima ametufanyia kazi kwa miaka 10. Tunasema asante, tumupishe tafadhali, tumupishe. Tokeni kwa njia tafadhali. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, sir. We wish you well. We wish you well. Thank you. Asante sana. Asante. Asante sana. Thank you. Maridadi.